Yeah, well, I don't know what's going off here.
The security of our bikes is pretty well taken care of.
Must be some kind of exercise, maybe.
All very friendly. That's where I was from. As we journey southward along the Baja, the distance between gas stations grows, prompting us to seize every chance to refuel whenever we can.
Okay. It's wrapped in plastic, so I didn't know whether it was actually working. Okay.
Dust protection.
Yeah.
Workaround.
I was wondering whether it was even working.
Yeah, I got a question for you guys.
Hi.
Is it windy?
Just a little bit.
Say again? Oh, yes.
Just a little bit.
Turtles pick up, I think, when it's warmer.
Let's see.
Solid cash, is that okay?
Yep. No problem. Okay. Got too many things in my hand. Okay. Ooh. Shoot.
He'll teach you.
How far are you guys going tonight?
I don't know really what is the plan.
We're just going south.
Okay. You got a late start to the day?
Yeah, pretty much.
I shouldn't say late start. I mean, you're on Baja time.
That way.
As I was noticing you were like off to the side, and I said to my wife, I said, geez, must be windy out. Sitting over like this into the wind.
Yeah.
You were quite a bit over. Because I said to her, I said, that looks very odd. Oh, it must be really windy. Yeah, well.
Okay. Gracias.
What's the ultimate goal? Cabo San Lucas, Las Cabos?
We're just making it up as we go along. We're hoping to get out and do some riding out in the trails.
So when you were here before, did you go from Loreto up to San Javier? A mission up there?
We went to San Borja.
No.
Mission San Borja we went to.
Okay. Because when we rode our bikes down here, we went up to San Javier, checked out the mission, but then when we carried on, the road will take you out to the west coast.
We did San Borja back in, I think, 2016, 2017.
I'll look that up, see if it's on our list to do this time.
Yeah, and I was on an F800, Lisa was on the 650, and I had a bad stator. And
It's identical. She had a 650 GS though. Which one did she have?
yeah, the single, 650
Okay.
single.
Yeah. Okay.
And I had a bad stator, and it was a bit of a mare for me. Well, the side we went in on was fine. There was a bit of sand, but some rocky sections. But when we came out, we hit a lot of sand. And because I had a bad stator and Lisa was in front, when I went down, I had to kill the engine. I couldn't start it again. So I had to push Lisa's bike to my bike and get a jump off.
But you carry one of those jumpers now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got the jump, but but the thing was, I knew I had a bad stator.
We get chatting to Zoe and Michael, a friendly Canadian couple in their Jeep. After a random second run-in with them, we realise we're all heading in the same direction off the beaten track. So, we team up. Cue the convoy life. Turns out they become our new honorary chase truck, joining us on an off-road adventure for a few days.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's been muddy. Yeah.
Not burning that shit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's going on here?
I get our breakfast on real quick. Max is safe. Is there anyone to sit? It's stand only.
I don't know. Oh, it's busy in here. Do you have coffee?
Yeah, I'll just get one share one.
Yeah, sure.
Breakfast here.
Okay.
Snacks and coffee.
Okay, fair enough. Just coffee then. I wonder what's going on.
I don't know. I wish I had more Spanish to find out.
Hola, buen día. Thanks. Thank you. 30?
30 pesos.
Okay. Yeah, well, I don't know what's going off here.
The security of our bikes is pretty well taken care of.
Must be some kind of exercise, maybe.
All very friendly. That's where I was from.
Can we go through? Okay. Hola. Buen día.
Ciao! Bye!
Okay. Wow, look at the size of some of these cactus. That's got to be 10, 12 meters high. Stop a minute. I want to turn around. It's just a bit of a track I want to go down and have a look. Yeah. Let's go. I just want to check it out. Look at this through here. This is amazing. Wow, look at the size of that one. There's a sandy wash here. Look at this. This is awesome. It's a bit sandy through here, Lee, so I would turn around if I were you. Right. Yeah, could do with a hand. I'll turn you around. I just wanted to come and have a look. I think I'll just walk it out.
Let's go back.
Yeah, okay. All right. Whew. Okay.
Wow, those cactuses are really huge.
Look at that one, it's massive.
Yeah.
We should get the drone up. Get a proper look. Let's do that.
Cardon cacti are the largest cactus in the world. These skyscrapers of the desert reach heights of up to 20 meters.
think. Did they go this way? I'm assuming they go this way. Okay. Ooh. It's a bit of mud here. You alright? Right, there's a bit of a washed out section here, but it's hard packed, so you just got to negotiate it. Oh, this is beautiful through here, especially this time of day. I like the fact that the landscape is not flat and we've got these undulations. A little bit technical. The guys have changed their mind and we are going back to a spot that they passed about 5 minutes ago. So that's where we're headed. Yes. Do you need a lift? Ah, yeah, this'll do. Pick your spot, any spot, yeah. We could park up. Well, where'd you fancy? How about over here? Over here will do. Nice and open. Oh yeah. I think I'll be very happy here. What do you reckon? You're over it. Oh, it's a bit soft. There we go. Well, this is lovely. Yeah. I reckon this will do. There's still beautiful cactus here though. Look at these that are flowering.
Yeah, those are,
What?
Hang on, the name is going to come to me in a second here. It'll come to me in just a second. I have to think of this.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Yeah,
I expect to know within an hour. Oh, look at you, you've got your own patch of grass.
Because you can wipe your feet off or whatever, and it keeps it cleaner going up the ladder.
Oh, that's quite nice.
I know, right? Yeah, that was the stuff from Costco. I think it was $100 for 12 feet or something like that.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Nice though. That's alright, it's okay. It's only my helmet.
Yeah.
The starling. Wow, that's not a small box.
No. That's not a shoe box, is it?
No.
Or drawer size?
So, do you have to put the dish out? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll just put it up on top of the roof there or on the ground or wherever.
That's a starling capacity.
Some people don't understand why we live our lives this way, and that's okay, because it works for us. Eddie Murphy nailed it when he said, 75 years. That's how much time you get if you're lucky. 75 years. 75 winters, 75 springtimes, 75 summers, and 75 autumns. When you look at it like that, it's not a lot of time, is it? Don't waste them. The fact that you're even here is a miracle. As we pause to enjoy Baja's natural beauty, a campfire and good company, we're reminded of the simple but meaningful pleasures that bring us joy. These moments offer clarity and a connection to life itself. They teach us that fulfillment comes from being fully present. They're the keys to longevity, the very things that make life worth living.
This is just a really nice spot.
You know those moments when you just stop, take a breather and let everything around you sink in? We don't do it every day, but when we do, it hits the reset button and centers the self. Appreciating the space between everything, feeling the world around you and knowing how to just be. It's those moments that give us a chance to realign and find that inner peace we all crave.
Morning. How are you? You sleep alright?
Did you hear the coyotes at 4 a.m?
Yes, they woke me up. It rained a lot last night. Tell it's coloured.